Hello dear friends, welcome back to another very interesting video from Biology at the Red Priyojit. According to scientists or biologists, a recent study shows the first reported example of a centipede that preys on seabirds. From egg-laying mammals to laughing kookaburra, Australia is known for its weird yet wonderful creatures. More than 80% of the flora and fauna are unique to the continent, and now scientists have found a critter with unique diet on a tiny island near Australia. Researchers have noticed that the Phillip Island centipede, the scientific name is Cormocephalus coini of the Phillip Island. They can eat over 3,700 seabird chicks each year. These findings were recently published in the American Naturalist Journal in this October 2021. Today I will discuss this very interesting topic and about the horrifying diet of these long-legged monsters. Phillip Island is a small uninhabited island located about 6 km south of Norfolk Island in the South Pacific. This unique creature endemic to Phillip Island has a diet consisting of an unusually large proportion of vertebrate animals including seabird chicks. Very interesting. As large marine predators, seabirds usually sit at the top of the food chain, but a new study published in the American Naturalist Journal demonstrates this is not always the case. We show how large predatory arthropods can play an important role in the food webs of island ecosystems, and the Phillip Island centipede achieves this through its highly varied diet. This island is home to 13 seabird species, and the most abundant is the black-winged petrel, that is Petrodoma nigripennis. They are small grey and white seabirds that breed on numerous small islands in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. The black-winged petrel breeding season is from October to May. Most birds breed annually, and the same pairs can breed together and rear many chicks over multiple years. The single white egg, which is near about 52 and 37 millimeter length and wide, is laid from the late December to the late January in a well-lined burrow chamber. Both birds share incubation shifts of about 13 to 14 days, and the egg hatches after 45 days in February or in March. According to biologists, ancient bone deposits in the soil suggest that prior to the black-winged petrel's arrival, Phillip Island was home to large number of other small burrowing nesting seabird species. Less likely the Phillip Island centipede preyed on these seabirds also. Phillip Island centipedes, which is Cormocephalus coini, are ferocious beasties which can grow about 20 to 30 centimeters in length, were found to feast on the nestlings of the black-winged petrel. The species of centipede is endemic to Phillip Island, and not much is known about their population size. It is armed with a potent venom encased in two pincer-like appendages called forcipules, which is used to immobilize its prey. Its body is protected by silt-like armored plates that line each of the many segments that make up their lengths. The team decoded that centipedes are not just hunting seabird chicks, they were also observed eating geckos, lizards or skinks, crickets and marine fishes scavenged from regurgitated seabird meals. As night falls across the remote island, the centipedes emerge from their lairs to stalk their victims. Using two sensitive antennas, the centipede navigate their way across the forest floor that serves as their hunting ground. Black-winged petrels build burrow on the ground, so their chicks are prime targets of the centipedes. The centipedes strike as the chicks rest, scraping away flesh from the back of the baby birds' necks, injecting them with deadly poison and eating them alive as paralysis sets in. From observing the centipedes as they hunt and by analyzing tissue samples taken from their maws and the remainings of the victims, the researchers estimated that the centipedes consume roughly 2,109 to 3,724 petrel chicks each year. The lead author, Luke R. Halpin from the School of Biological Sciences, Monash University, Australia, explained centipedes have not previously been reported to prey on seabird chicks. This is a novel result, a quite novel result. He also adds that islands are great laboratories for food web studies because of their isolation, and this study demonstrated how arthropods can play a major role in the food web structure and influence nutrient flow. Despite the centipede's monstrous gluttony, scientists still appreciate the important role these predators play in restoring the island's green ecosystem after brutal human intervention. The Phillip Island centipede is eating a black-winged petrel. In a sense, they have taken over the ecological role of the carnivorous mammals, which are not present on that particular island, the Phillip Island near Australia. The researchers wrote in the conversation, stormbirds or the petrels hunt at sea, while centipedes feed on land. This is as if they are helping to transfer the nutrients from one environment to another, that is from the marine environment to the land environment to the forest environment. So the food is transferred, the nutrient is transferred. That's it, and I believe this video will be interesting to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. If you have any doubt or any question, you can comment on this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more and more videos like this in future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.